Here I have XIAOMI 12S, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So to do this, firstly you have to tap on this arrow, then select preferred language. I guess I'll just select English. Then you should select your preferred region, tap next. Then you choose your keyboard, you could select Gboard or voice typing. Then you have to agree with privacy policy and user agreement. Then you can connect SIM card, but if you don't have SIM card on, you can just skip this step. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if there's no opened Wi-Fi network, you can skip this step and do this later. Then you have Google services, which I suggest you to turn off and tap accept. Then you have some basic settings. You can disable them, you can leave them. I suggest you to disable them anyway. Then you have to select default launcher. Classic is without app drawer. App drawer is with app drawer. I suggest you to use app drawer. Then you select system navigation mode. I suggest you full screen gestures. Here you have a quick tutorial of these gestures. You can tap learn and use them, or you can just swipe like this. Okay, you have to learn them anyway. No other way. You have to make this tutorial even if you know how to use this device. Nice. Yes, super. I'm the best. And I'm ready to rock. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.